Sweater weather is here. Shop the coziest styles of the season. So we say okay, and they want 1-to-1 and what is it, 16-9 or 9/16, right? A story. So we're gonna make this a steal. This is what I would do. So I'm gonna right click. We're gonna open with Photoshop. All right, we're going to file new. So Photoshop has these already set up for us. So you can do like an iPhone or just a custom 3x. I always do 3x3. To me, that is really low. I mean, I know that's the norm, but I always go with like 96 or 150. That's just my preference. So that's what I'm gonna go with. And we're gonna grab the photo. Okay. I'm gonna plop it in here. So I normally, when I am working on social media posts, I usually do the squares, like the 1-to-1 first. Just how I've done things. All right, so I am going to actually cut these sweaters out. So we're gonna make a copy. So we'll do sweaters. And then the top layer will be cut out. All right. Let's try. I want to see if it does remove background. Yeah, no. There have been times where it works really good. Like I've taken some product photos purposely on like white backgrounds because then I know that it'll save me some time in this process, like creating content. But like sometimes, you know, you want to have the effect of like with the background, but like the product just being the focal, or you want like text in the background or something. So when things like that happen, I'll come in here and just manually cut them out just so I can make sure that the edges are really crisp and clean. And I will probably speed this up. Right click, make selection, 0.5 pixels, hit OK, and mask it out. Thank you. All right. Now you're gonna grab both of these and then stretch them to however you want. Let's see. All right. Now let's go get that Pantone color. So I'm just gonna plop this right on top of the design and then get my drop tool and then I'll delete it. All right, so text. Let's see, this is pretty good text. Again, if you're a new designer, going back and looking at, you know, past designs to see kind of their style. And usually you'll have all of this kind of in your head, but I thought this would just be a fun exercise to just show how like my brain would do something on the fly. All right, so our saying is sweater weather is here. Okay, that doesn't look very, that almost looks not summery, but I think this will actually work. Maybe we'll do all caps. Yes, I like that. Sweater weather. Yeah. Okay. So this time the background, I think I'm going to bring it down a little bit just so that the text can pop and then the sweaters can be more of the focal point. And I want a little bit more space. I like this little shadow. I want sweater weather to be a little bit bigger. Oops, so I'm gonna bring this a little closer together and then I'm gonna push weather a tad bit. All right. So I had a reason for that cutout. I want it to be just above the weather. And then we're gonna use the same type family, but I think I'm gonna change. Let's just try all lowercase is here. Move it to the side. Maybe bring it down a little. Not bad, not bad. Okay, and then let's just say like their logo, like let's say they had a logo, I'd put it probably here in the corner. So this would be the 1-to-1, so save as 1-to-1 sweater. I'll save as a JPEG, copy, JPEG, and then we're gonna make this a story size. So now I'm gonna grab all of this, copy, that's not too bad, but I'm not 100% sold here, but this is just a quick, like how my brain works. So that's not too bad. So from here, file, save a copy, actually save as, we'll save the PSD because you always want to save your PSD because this is the working file. So in case they don't like it, you can come and make your edits. So make sure to always save your PSD working file. JPEG. And we're done. That we don't. So from the story to the working files, and then now our finished designs. Sweater weather is here. You have your 1-to-1 and your story size. Ta-da!